Good evening. This is DCOM 20. Phelps, New York. It's Wednesday night. Still very warm. Well, I don't even know where this is. Exchange Street, right there. Back here is a beer tent of some sort. Live entertainment tonight. I was driving by on the way to Rochester and I heard music.
She does a lot of acoustic shows. She's been in so many different bands and groups, and her
Phelps.
and I will do a duo sometimes as well. But right now she's playing usually Girls Night Out. Her and our friend Debbie Abbott is playing with Fran on that. They're doing a duo. So if you see Girls Night Out, definitely get out and check them out as well. Oh yeah, they'll be. I won't take business. They'll be over at the wine bar on Saturday. We'll come to Crafty Ales first.
There's a wine bar just down the road. Another block.
It's protein when you get up. Bugs in your drink. It's too bad. There's no mosquitoes up here. Huh?
Well, there's no mosquitoes. It's almost November. As I'm standing here, though, I hear a couple of crickets.
So when Fran comes to see me, or if I know she's coming, I always bring my
Trick or treats tomorrow night.
the technical term. She's got a whole setup. She's got bongos.
It's a very warm breeze from the south. It's right this way. That is a warm air. If it was coming from this way, then it would be cold as heck.
Since I did a Darius Rucker song, I always joke around because it's kind of like, I always say back before he was Darius, but I'm assuming he was born Darius, right? So he's always Darius, but I grew up knowing him as Hootie and the Blowfish. You guys remember Hootie and the Blowfish? That's what I think of when I think of Darius Rucker. He's always Hootie. So, we do Wagon Wheel, and that's a Darius tune, but we're gonna do a Hootie song from back in the day, a little Darius Rucker, before he was Darius, when he was Hootie. Was he born Hootie? That I don't know. Alright, let's do the Hootie and the Blowfish. Fran's gonna help me out here, just keeping a little beat. She's using that tambourine. Nobody else picked it up, so. Alright. After a few drinks, though. You and me, we could different worlds. You like to laugh me when I look at other girls. Sometimes crazy, and you wonder why I'm such a baby, 'cause don't make me cry. Nothing I can do. Looking for a girl like you look at me, got nothing left to say. I'm all proud of you until I get my way.
This is DCOM 20, Phelps, New York.
I just wanna love you when you walk away my ring. Nothing I can do, only wanna be with you. Call me your fool. Only wanna be with you. Put on a different, sitting on a fence. I said the line is great and you asked me what I'm about. Then I saw a man named Greg, took his line with a leg. She inherited $1 million. When she died, it came to me. I can't help it if I'm lucky.
11,200 steps today. It's a Garmin Phoenix 7 Sapphire. I sleep with it on. I take it out the shower though. However, I do sleep with it on. Yesterday, while at my desk at the computer, I took it off for about an hour or two. Then I put it back on. Then I took it off this morning to shower. Approximately 13 hours ago. This is Decomp 20, Phelps. October 30th, 2024. Almost 8 o'clock. Main area, Phelps.
Back before he was Darius, right? It says Hootie on his birth
That was Hootie and the Blowfish,
Just kidding, just kidding.
as performed by
Next thing you know, I'm putting out
a local musician. Downtown Phelps. Chinese restaurant. They're still open. Open till 10. They also own this store. Phelps, New York. Is here. This is oh, there's the lights. Yes. Exchange in Maine. Phelps Town Hall. Is it 1840? That's old as. Here we are. Live entertainment tonight. Jaywalking. I don't even think Phelps has police. Doubt it. Why am I going this way? There's nothing down there. Welcome to the Phelps Hotel entrance. Historic building. It's for sale, I believe. I think I saw a sign out front. You're free to fall into the payments to buy this building. I think there's a for sale sign here on Main Street, which is off Exchange. Alright, there's this map. Permit. Is there a for sale sign here? Thought there was. Well, anyway, it's closed, obviously. They still put festivity decorations up. Restaurant, cocktail lounge, hotel. No lock. There's your hotel. That closed, obviously, from those signs at some point in the last 4.5 years due to, or probably during the COVID, or the health incident. Laundry at apartment 94 Main Laundry or something else. Samantha's the person. She's licensed. Your hometown. She's a hometown realtor. Call her. Email. Coffee, they're still open or just, oh, they just closed. Just closed. They just closed. For sale. Astoria Restaurant. There's the drugstore. Probably gonna stay open. Pizza. They're closing. The pizza. What's this? Ice cream on Main. Oh, there's people in there. Decomp 20. Phelps, New York. October 30th. Just before 8 o'clock. Tomorrow is Halloween. I also believe it's trick or treat. Some years in the past it's been freezing. That's where you could eat if you buy your food, I guess, or something. They close those, I believe. Melt ice cream on Main. Mason's Barbershop. What's over there? More pizza over there. I don't know what else is over here. There's an apartment up there. The wine bar. It's right there. The musician up there at the beer bar. mentioned the wine bar. That's right there at those lights at the right there at that creek on Main Street. This is 116 to 120 Main. Lawyer, telephone. That's Phelps. That bicycle, no lock, just sitting there, and nobody's taking it. Amazing. Perfect night out here. Might be 70 degrees, and it's probably 60. If probably warmer. Phelps, New York. Restaurants, alcohol, beer bar. Down there's the wine bar. Pretty neat. Alright, I'm parked up the road. I'm going to be off to Rochester. This is DCOM 20. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Phelps, New York. It's 8 o'clock.